Welcome back, folks. Today's project is a 2016 Chevy Cruze LT 1.4 turbo, and we're going to be showing everybody how to change the Bank 1 Sensor 1 oxygen sensor, which is located right here. It's not a hard job. You're going to need a T30 to get the lid off this plastic cover. We're also going to need an oxygen sensor socket and probably a pick to get the little connector loose. So let me gather up all my tools. I'll be right back. Alright, we're going to get started by taking this cover off here. T30. That's a screw for it. I'm also going to take out our oil filler cap, and that'll allow us to pull this cover right off. Make sure to put your oil cap back on here, keep everything from going down in there. And we got this insulator here which just comes right off. You don't necessarily have to take this out of here, but it gives a better view. And here is our connector here for our oxygen sensor. So what we're going to do, take our pick, we're going to slide our lock. Let's show everybody how that works. Slide that lock just like that. We're going to depress this, and that will release our connector here. So let me get that loose, and I'll be right back. Got my connector released, and so just come right out of there like that. Pull your wiring out of the little holder, and we're going to take our oxygen sensor socket. There's various ones. I have this one here. You can get this at pretty much all of the parts stores. Slide that right on there. And I'm using a 1/2-inch ratchet with about a 10-inch extension. Put that right down in there. We're going to twist it counterclockwise. Just unscrew this by hand here. And that's our oxygen sensor. And to install it, do the exact opposite. Put a new one in. Make sure you start this by hand. You do not want to cross thread this. And also be careful if you're working on the car when it's hot. These things are extremely hot. Put our socket back on there. We'll give that a good twist. There we go. From there we'll wiring back in there. We'll plug our connector back in. Just like that. Put our insulator back in place. Move our oil filler cap here. Cover back in place. And put our screw back in. Take your T30. Just tighten her down. And that is how you change the Bank 1 Sensor 1 oxygen sensor on a 2016 Chevy Cruze LT 1.4 turbo. this helped you out, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit that share button, and I'll catch you on the next one.